Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today we have an unboxing of the June 2023 Curated Bead Box called Tree of Life. If you've been watching any of my videos lately, you know that I've been gone for a little bit and I had a bunch of packages waiting for me. This happened to be one of them, so I will be all caught up with my unboxing. Here are all the things listed on the box that's in there this month, including a finder's kit, which is always fun to get. By the way, if you're wanting to get your own curated bead box subscription, down in the description box below, I have a really good coupon code for you. So now let's open this thing up and see what's inside. So look at all the pretty colors. Looks like the finding kit this month is gold, and each box contains things like crimp beads, elastic, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and lobster claw clasps. So the first set of beads are 12 millimeter red yellow marble style glass bead in an 8-inch string. Aren't these pretty? The next thing are some more 12 millimeter beads. They're drizzled bronze glass bead, 6-inch string. And then we have 8 millimeter brown crackle frosted glass beads in a 6-inch string. I'll be honest with you, these look more orange to me. So these next beads are yellow, and I love yellow beads. There's a 10 millimeter deep yellow gemstone style glass bead, 6-inch string. So our next beads are 8 millimeter Summer Glory Crackle Season glass beads in a 16-inch string. Ooh, these next ones are really pretty. 8 millimeter drizzled red glass bead in a 10.5-inch string. Now these next beads, they say they're 8 millimeter, but they look more like they're 6 millimeter, but they are rose quartz gemstone beads, about a 7 to 8-inch string. Next, a 6 millimeter 16-inch string of bubblegum crackle glass beads. Boy, they do look like bubblegum. Next, we have another 6 millimeter set of beads, 10.5-inch string of orange blossom spray glass beads. These next ones are really sparkly. They're a 14 by 8 millimeter peach faceted bicone glass beads, and there are 8 of them. Next, we have a 22 millimeter circle gold metal bead frames, and there are 6 of those. And then we have 25 of these bead caps. They're 6 millimeter gold metal bead caps. Love bead caps. Next, we have some gemstones, and I kind of question these. They call them hot pink, 10 millimeter hot pink gemstone beads, 7 of them. These definitely are not hot pink. They're more of a lavender lilac. And then last but not least, we have a 50 by 46 millimeter Tree of Life gold metal pendant. And there are the beautiful colors this month. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.